Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide your profile photo from someone. Friends, in WhatsApp your profile picture is available for everyone by default and you need to change some settings to hide it. So open your WhatsApp. In WhatsApp press on these three dots. Here press on settings. Press on account. Here press on privacy. In privacy press on profile photo. Here change its setting to my contacts. Now if you don't want someone to see your profile picture, then you need to delete it from your contact list. So friends, by the help of this feature, you can avoid misuse of your profile photo. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.